ChatGPT as an AWS developer provides CRUD on DynamoDB with AWS CLI. Open browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Start a new chat session. Assume the role of AWS developer. ChatGPT responds with, "Of course. How can I assist you as an AWS developer today? Whether you need help with AWS services, architecture design, coding, or anything else related to AWS development, feel free to ask." Next prompt in the session. Show me step by step to create a DynamoDB table with autoscaling from command line using AWS CLI. ChatGPT responds with, "Sure. Here are the steps to create a DynamoDB table with autoscaling enabled using the AWS CLI." And then continues with the CLI commands, which can be copied by tapping the copy code button towards the right side. After the whole command, ChatGPT closing comment is, "This command will create a DynamoDB table with autoscaling enabled based on the configuration provided in the JSON file. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to create resources in your AWS account." Another task prompt in the same session. Show how I can demonstrate CRUD on the table using AWS CLI. Response from ChatGPT is, "Certainly. Here's how you can demonstrate CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations on your DynamoDB table using the AWS CLI. Separate command samples for each operation follows, along with respective instruction to change placeholder values with corresponding values from our need wherever required." Another task prompt. Can all these be drafted into a series of slides for a presentation? ChatGPT response is, "Certainly. Here's how you could draft a series of slides for a presentation demonstrating CRUD operations on a DynamoDB table using the AWS CLI." Six slides with title, description and example command as well as instructions are drafted. Suggested in addition with the prompt. Start with a slide for create table also. See the response, absolutely. Let's incorporate a slide for creating a DynamoDB table as well. Now there are 7 slides in the draft. The concluding remarks from ChatGPT is also notable. The structure provides a comprehensive overview of creating and managing DynamoDB tables, along with performing CRUD operations using the AWS CLI.